guys, welcome to Lavon's Divine Touch. Today I want to talk about butterfly clips. So you can get these at the hair store, but I also just recently found out that you can get these at the 99-cent store. I will leave the link in the bio. So it comes with 3 purple ones, 3 green ones, 3 blue ones, and 3 pink ones. My daughter broke my pink ones, so I don't have them. But if you're like parting your hair, you want to clip it up, you want to do an updo, you know. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I will leave the link to these clips down below. They're like literally 99 cents and you literally get like a whole bunch of them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.